interrupt this program. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow.
We interrupt our programming. This is not a test. We have been finding some kind of creature all over the place. And if you found them, call 911-234-5677 for the SCP. And stay inside. Do not do anything till notice. Now listen for the instructions for the emergency.
Now listen carefully. Go outside and see if go outside you are stuck. Go outside you are stuck.
We interrupt this program. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow.
Now listen for the instructions for the emergency. The following message is being transmitted at the request of Police Department and the Federal Bureau of Investigations. The Police Department has issued a state of emergency at this time.
We interrupt this
Approximately
program.
1 hour
This
ago,
is a
the
national
Police
emergency.
Department received reports of
Important
an escaped
instructions
prisoner
will
roaming
follow.
the area. The man is described to be 6 foot tall, wearing a black cloak and plague doctor mask. If you see this man, do not attempt to apprehend or attack him, as making physical contact will result in immediate death. This man is considered to be armed with a biological weapon and very dangerous. We ask all citizens to lock all doors and block off any entry points to your home, and call 911 immediately if you see this man. Do not use the telephone line unless an emergency occurs. Updates will come through as they happen.
This following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service and the Huntington Emergency Management Agency. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a power outage advisory for Centre County and Central Pennsylvania until further notice. Residents living in the State College area are experiencing several minor power outages all across town and is known as a town-wide outage. This power outage occurred due to damaging heavy rainstorms and massive snowfall across the area up to 7 inches and ice accumulations up to 3½ inches. State College residents have reported numerous icy and slick spots on roadways and bridges. Residents are advised to stay in their homes as to be used as a shelter. Light candles in your homes and hurdle up to stay warm inside. Also make sure you have a working flashlight to see in the dark, and have an emergency supply kit out for survival until the power outage is fixed and is resolved. You can also reach and dial the Common Power Company's lines for help. Repeating, a power outage advisory remains in effect until further notice for the City of State College and Centre County, Pennsylvania.